Hello friends, we are starting our fourth unit of advanced manufacturing processes, that is fundamental of computer aided manufacturing, that is CAM. Okay, uh, where or what we are going to study in this CAM chapter or fundamental of computer aided manufacturing, different type of components and concept of numerical control or CNC, what is DNC, a CNC machine type classification, working construction feature, advantages, disadvantages, elements of CNC machine, then what is CNC tooling, what is CNC turning centers and CNC machining centers. All these things we are going to study in this particular unit. Okay, so let's start with our first unit, that is fundamentals of computer aided manufacturing, that is CAM. Okay, so what is CAM concept actually, or CAD CAM, CAD or CAM? CAD means computer aided designing, and CAM means computer aided manufacturing. The entry of component in the field of design and manufacturing has led to the emergence of two new areas, that is CAD and CAM. Now, CAM, computer aided manufacturing, can be defined as used of computer systems to plan, manage and control the manufacturing operations. Okay, very important. We are using computer for what? Planning, managing and controlling the manufacturing operation through the direct and indirect computer interface with the manufacturing machine. This is actually CAM is. Okay, CAM is what? It is planning, managing and controlling the manufacturing operation through the direct or indirect computer interface. Okay, so this is what CAD, computer aided manufacturing. So now let's see this second one. What are the achievement of this CAM? Automation of manufacturing. The use of this CAM has led to automation of manufacturing processes. Okay, now like there are some repeated operation in the industries which are quite complicated, may complicated, or if humans are there, there may be error. Okay, that's why some automation is done, so that one more thing is it increases the effectiveness and efficiency of the manufacturing machine, this computer aided manufacturing. So to improve this accuracy, and what we can say, less error, repeated operation, to perform all this repeated operation, this automation is done in these companies. So integration of design and manufacturing. Traditionally, the design and manufacturing have been treated as two distinct and separate activities. However, the CAD CAM has led to the greater integration of design and manufacturing. Now, this type of CAM machine tool, computer manufacturing tools, are what? NC machine tool, that is numerical control, CNC, that is computer numerical control machine tools, and DNC is direct numerical control. These are the three things which we are going to see in this particular chapter. Okay, now NC machine tool. First one is what? NC machine tool. NC, that is numerical control machine tool, are the machine tools of which the various functions are controlled by program fed to it. Okay, you might have learned about that C program, C plus program. Similarly, there are some few programs in mechanical engineering also that you have to perform, or that you have to write for the specific operation of or to manufacture any specific component. You have a specific machine tool language. Okay, we will see further about that language. Okay, let's start. That program is fed to it, and without human operator, the NC program consists of the set of instruction or statement for controlling the motion of the drives of the machine tool as well as the motion of the cutting tool. Okay, here this numerical control or program which is paid to the machine perform the different operation without the interference of these human minds. Okay, function control by program in CNC machine tools are starting and stopping on the machine tool pin spindle, controlling the spindle speed, positioning the tool at desired location and guiding it along the desired path, then controlling the feed rate and changing the tools. Okay, all these are the operations that can be performed by these NC machines. Okay, there is a uh, layout shown in the figure for NC machine tool. Okay, now here you can see part drawing. That means you have to draw the part by manually. Okay, by manual pencil and like we did in first year and second year. Okay, this part you have to draw. You have to draw its rough sketch, and then you have to write the program for it. Okay, you have to part a program, then you have to make, or this you can see here the tape is there. Okay, you have to code that program on this tape, and that tape is fed to this tape reader. Okay, this tape reader reads this tape and gives the instruction to this machine. Okay, that means just we have discussed about what this tape or program actually, or this NC machine actually control the parameter feed speed, stopping, increasing speed, and turning on the machine and changing different tool. Okay, all these parameters are controlled and programmed on this tape, and that are fed to the controller, and via that controller this instruction are given to the different machine component which acts like that. Okay, or which perform the functions. Okay, a component of NC machine tool, that series component, you can see machine control unit where the program is fed, then magnetic box which reads the information in that tape reader. Then you can see this director servo motor connected. That means it controls the speed, feed and depth of cut, whatever. Then manual control is also there for few operations which cannot be carried by this computer control. Now ball screw is there. Okay, what it does actually, it moves the uh, working head. Okay, here you can see the work table and workpiece is fixed, so you have to move that uh, tool like milling machine. Okay, to control milling machine, this type of computer arrangement is made. Okay, this is general layout of this uh, NC machine. Let's see basic element of NC machine tool. First one is part drawing and part program, then program tape, and then MCU, that is machine control unit, not Marvel Cinematic Universe. It is machine control units. That is, and then fourth one is machine tool. Okay, let's see part drawing and part program. First one. Okay, part drawing and part. Using the part drawing and cutting process parameter, the part program is written. The part program is set up step by step instruction to the machine tool for carrying out the operation. The set of instruction include instruction for position machining tool, spindle with respect to the work table, instruction of cutting operation, and instruction for selection of spindle speed. Okay, and cutting tool. In this part drawing, you have to just program that tape. Okay, um, then that means while programming tape you have to specify the different parameters for getting desired workpiece. Okay, this is some instruction which are uh, to be controlled by that machine, or written instruction written on that program, in that program, are instruction of positioning, cutting operation, spindle speed, and cutting tools. Now method used for part programming of CNC machine tool. Manual part program is also done, and computer aided part program is also done. A number of languages are available for part programming. The most popular language is what? APT. Then program tape. The part program is entered on the program tape. The tape is long wound roll of 1 inch width. The entered on the tape in the information or the program is entered on the tape in the form of punched holes. The holes are punched with the help of punching machine. The tape medium is now absolute, and nowadays the program is input through the magnetic cassettes, floppy disk, or compact disk. Now the scenario has changed. That's why this punched tape and all this stuff are obsoleted. Okay, now this, we can say directly pen drive or any hard disk or the material stored in hard disk is used, or you can even store this to the cloud also. That program which can be run in the globe at any place. Okay, so these new or modern techniques are coming nowadays. Now next one is machine control, that is MCU, that is tape reader and controller. The program tape is read by tape reader. The controller takes input from the tape reader and actuate the drive and the tools of the machine tool. Okay, this is the function of tape reader. Now machine tool. The machine tool is operated by the controller of the machine controller unit. In NC machine tool, one or more of the following function may be automatic. First one, starting and stopping, then controlling the spindle speed, positioning the tool tip at the desired location, and guiding it along the desired path by automatic control of the slide motions, then controlling the feed rate and changing the tool. All these parameters may be controlled automatically by this machine tool. Now main component of machine tool, NC machine tool, let's see. First one is word table, that is very must thing for every machine. Then machine tool spindle, drive unit, machine control unit, feedback mechanism, and magnetic box and manual control. Okay, that we have already seen in the figure. Okay, all this 5 6 to 7 part you can observe in this figure. Okay, let me show you again. Here is that figure. You can see the part in this component of NC machine tool. Feedback mechanism for reducing errors, then spindle motor, elbow screw, manual control, work table, head, magnetic box, here control unit. Okay, machine control unit. So all these are the component of machine tool. Okay, let's see them one by one. Work table, machine tool spindle, drive units, and then machine control unit, feedback mechanism, magnetic box, and manual control. Now NC machine has 3 types according to control loop and feedback system, then according to type of tool, motion control, and according to program method. Okay, there are 3 type of NC machine. Let's see first according to control loop and feedback system. One is open loop system and another is closed loop system. And then according to type of tool, motion control, final positioning control NC machine, and continuous path control NC machine. There another is point to point, straight cut, and there are 2 axis, 2.5 axis, 3.5 axis, and multi axis contouring. Okay, this is in the continuous path control NC machine of the type according to type of tool, motion control. According to the program method, one is absolute and second one is incremental. Okay, these are the type of NC. Let's see next one. uh, Advantages of NC machine tool. Let's see few advantages of NC machine tool. First one comes as less setup time. Complex machining operation can be performed. High accuracy can be maintained as there is no human involvement required, because it is, by the way, controlled and manufactured by the computer or programmed actions. Then reduced lead time for the production. Okay, lead time is also reduction of scrap and wastage is also there, as there is more accuracy. Then increase productivity. Lower tooling cost is there, increases productivity. This is also more important point, because there is no limitations like human have. As it is machine, it cannot work 24 by 7 hours, so there is no limit. You can say productivity can be increased, then reduce lean time and lower tooling cost. Because of proper handling, you can say the maintenance of tooling or replacement is also less. And uh, different type of operation can perform by single unit also, single tool also. Reduction of human errors. Okay, this is the main thing. Greater operator safety, as there is sometime there is a human involvement only for the running that part program. Otherwise, there is no human involvement, therefore less hazard for the humans, or we can say operator. Then greater operator efficiency, greater machine tool safety, and reduced space requirement. Okay, these are the advantages, we can say, of the NC machine tool. As NC machine tools require less setup space and time, they can be used to the maximum possible extent. Then next one is less setup time. Then complex machining operation using NC machine, complex geometrical operation can be manufactured quickly and accurately. High accuracy, NC machine produce component with high accuracy. Less inspection required, because of uniform quality product, inspection time required is very less. Then production of scrap and wastage, the high accuracy of product eliminate most of the human error, and hence scrap and wastage is drastically reduced. Reduced lead time for production, because of short tape preparation. The setup time of NC machine, the lead time for the production is reduced drastically. And then increase productivity. The NC machine uh, produces the component very quickly with less setup and lead time. This increase the productivity. Lower tooling cost, as NC machine requires simple and minimum possible holding fixture. The cost of fixture design and manufacture is reduced. Then reduction of human error. The NC type eliminate the need for an operator intervention in manufacturing inspection, tool changing, and in routine operations. Hence, there is considerable reduction in human error. The greater operator safety. NC machine operated from a remote console, which is usually away from the machine area. Therefore, the operator is not exposed to the machine working area, and hence there is greater operator safety. Then greater operator efficiency, as NC machine require minimum possible human intervention, and the operator cannot work simultaneously on number of machines. Therefore, greater operator efficiency is achieved. Greater machine tool safety, as there is minimum possible human intervention in normal working of NC machine. The damage to the machine tool as a result of operator error is virtually eliminated. Hence, there is greater safety of machine tool also. And reduced space requirement, as NC machine require minimum possible jigs and fixture. Storage space requires also less. Now let's talk about a few limitations of this NC machine also. First one is high initial cost. Okay, cost is of this machine is too high. Then maintenance cost is also high for this such type of machine. Then high operational cost is also there because there is whole work of electricity. And then initial cost because of computer, then the programming tape, and very highly skilled operator, I will say, before feeding the program. Operator actually need not to be very skilled because he just have to run the program. But before that, for programming, the skilled labor are not skilled, but I will say qualified and excellent labor is required. Okay, which can write all these programs necessary for this part manufacturing, because program is not an easy task. Okay, until you understand it very well. Then operation cost is also high. Limited life of tapes. Okay, tape is continuously winding, and there may be some because of continuous error, they may continuous operation, there may be some fault that may comes to that tape. Okay, therefore the life of that tape may be very less, and time consuming punch tape preparation. Okay, preparation of this tape is quite time consuming. Okay, so these are the limitation of NC machine tool. This is some disadvantages we are looking for, or limitation you can say. High maintenance cost. Okay, maintenance is also high. High operational cost. And then limited life of tape, as there is wear and tear, and tape are also more fragile. Therefore these tape are not reliable after few cycles. Okay, therefore it must be limited, I will say replaced. Okay, special material also required, aluminum foil and mylar, which are costly, and then time consuming punch tape operation. Let's see NC machine tool, its application. NC lathe and turning center, NC milling, boring, drilling, machining center, welding and arc cutting machine, sewing center, punching press, NC pipe bending machine, and NC grinding machine, and NC inspection and gauging. Okay, these are the NC machine application. And tomorrow we'll see CNC, that is computer numerical control. Okay, thank you.